In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone settings name grayed out. So by default, your iPhone settings name is not going to be grayed out. But if eventually your iPhone setting ended up grayed out when you are trying to put things together on your iPhone, but can't phantom out exactly where this comes from. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps to take to fix the iPhone name grayed out on any iPhone. So in this case, I am using iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max is running on iOS 17.5.2. So if you're running on any of this between iOS 15 to iOS 17, you should be able to fix the iPhone name grayed out on your device. So without wasting your time, let's go ahead now and do this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your iPhone settings. While on the settings, you need to click on screen time, scroll down and click on content and privacy restriction, then scroll down to allow changes and tap passcode changes, then tap in your straight time passcode. Choose allow under passcode changes, then tap account changes as well. Underneath it, you want to click on allow, then hit the back button. Now under allow changes, there are two options that you've enabled here. You've enabled passcode changes and account changes. Now let's go back to the settings page. While on the settings page, you say that, so you can see that the iPhone settings name that is grayed out is no longer grayed out. So if I click on this, this is now accessible. If it is grayed out, you'll not be able to access it on your iPhone. So guys, if this video on how you can easily fix iPhone settings grayed out on your iPhone is helpful, you want to hit like and of course you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.